Hello, my name is Arv Agrawal, and I am an aspiring engineering student. Thank you for your interest in my free robotics and coding classes. I was first exposed to robotics in elementary school as I was a member of our robotics team. I find robotics fun, rewarding, engaging, and educational. As you may know, robots have been around us for a while, and the use of robots will continue to grow. They will practically be involved in all aspects of human life, so it's beneficial to learn more about them. Robots are the future, and robotics could be a great career option too. I'm offering free video classes in robotics and coding because I want to spread interest in robotics to young minds. I want to teach kids behind the scenes of robotics and spark their creativity, and introduce robotics and engineering as a possible career option. My father, an engineer, and I couldn't find an existing robotics kit that we truly felt taught the entire creative process of robotics. Most off-the-shelf products were one-time use and lacked flexibility. The aspect of coding the machine to perform different actions was rarely included, and the inner workings of the motors and microcontroller were covered up. My dad and I believed we could have a more distinct, thorough, and immersive take on robotics, so we started designing. We sought to maximize educational value, so we wanted a relatively open concept design that could be manipulated by its user. After a series of prototypes, Robbie the drummer became our final design. It can be used much longer after the initial construction as you manipulate the code that I have prepared for you, or even write your own code to make the robot do different things. Kids will learn a lot by simply watching this series of free video lessons. However, to make the overall experience more enjoyable and educational, I highly recommend that kids engage in the hands-on activities and actually build and program the robot as they follow along the video lessons. You may purchase the robotics kit with all the parts you need to follow along from a third-party robotics workshops for kids. There is a link on my website, www.kidsexplorerobotics.com, that will take you to their website. Alternatively, you may purchase the parts on your own from the open market. There is a list of parts on my website and my YouTube channel. Please note that some parts, such as body parts, are custom designed for this robot and are not available on the open market, but you can craft them yourself. To make it easy on yourself, I highly recommend purchasing the kit. It will save you time and money and make it a lot more fun to learn robotics and coding. Once again, thank you for your interest in my robotics and coding classes, and welcome aboard. I promise, kids will learn a lot about robotics and coding in a way that is truly fun, rewarding, engaging, and educational.